3, the final week where we solder and wire up the house, and we'll be focusing on the top right room of our house. During week 3, we use the house we built from week 1 and 2 and start to plan where certain parts such as the lights, the fan, and the chandelier go in the circuit and place it in each room. When we figured out what's supposed to go where, we spray painted the house and started placing the materials needed for each room. In this picture, we see a fully wired house which is derived from our circuit diagram and calculation. Now I'll talk about on how we wired the top right room and show you why we wired it as it is. First, we solder one wire to the positive end of our whole circuit, and this wire links upstairs towards the designated top right room. Then we wired it up the staircase and attached that end of the wire to a switch. The switch is then connected by also another wire to the positive end of the LED light, in this case to the soldered resistor. We then connect the LED light to another resistor because in our circuit diagram calculations, each resistor takes 6 volts from the 12-volt battery. Since the LED light has barely any resistance, it might short circuit without 2 resistors, therefore they will have another one at the other end. Afterwards, that end of the resistor is connected to another wire which leads down from the top right of room towards the porch and connects to the central negative end of our whole circuit. Therefore, when we turn on the 12-volt battery, it allows the energy to travel through the wires and repeat the cycle, and therefore lighting up the LED light. Similar to the top right room, we repeat the same methods to each of the rooms with certain modifications, such as having a two-way switch, a fan, a chandelier, etc. All by the way we calculate it in our circuit diagrams. And we do this until each room is complete and we have a whole complete house with everything wired.